Okay.
Who's this guy?
Kanye.
Oh.
Your boy. Kanye West. Hey, put it in drive and just take off just for a second. I'll catch up with you in just a second. You can get into it a little. Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be the first drive in the Mach 1 in the rain. I just put 1,000 miles on this car, and we're gonna see how it does with these Cup 2 tires in the rain. So far, so good. Look, we got a lightning storm coming, so we're gonna try to get out of this before it gets bad. So hopefully the tires are good. I'll let you know how these tires do in the rain, but I just washed it, ceramic coated it, and it's always good to wash your car though, just to keep the junk off of the paint, keep the grime, the brake dust from everyone else's car, and all the bird crap and all that. It's just good it's not just, you know, if it rains, it's actually fine. The point, it's like, do you brush your teeth every morning, or do you just say, you know what, they're gonna get dirty at lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I'm not gonna brush them before, when I wake up or when I go to bed? You see what I'm saying? So that's how we looking at it over here on jteasers.com. So yeah, but we're about to get some rain, so let's see how these Cup 2s do in the thunderstorm. All right, guys, we just hit 1,000 miles in the Mach 1, and I just wanted to, I took a drive out to go see my dad and let him drive the car, and I just wanted to give you guys you know, I'm in the rain driving on these Cup 2s, and I just wanted to check in and say what's up to everyone, and basically let you know how it's doing at 1,000 miles, and there's nothing for me to say, honestly, aside from I've spent so much money in gas because I just can't stop driving this car. I just want to drive and drive and drive and drive and drive this car because the suspension is so firm. And it's not just firm. That's not a good description of the suspension. It is, when you press on the brakes, the body, it's all one piece. It's very rigid. It doesn't feel, in the 15 it would nosedive. I don't want to get into a review now, but guys, what do you want me to do? I'm going to do a car review on this car, and then I'm also going to do a 15 versus Mach 1 review. I'm going to do both of those. So what do you guys want to see? What would you rather see more? Mustang review, a Mach 1 versus Mustang GT, my previous gen. I know a lot about that. I can get very detailed about the difference between the 15 to 17s versus this, because I had the 15 performance package car for 7 years. I can't believe that's the longest I've owned a car. So what do you guys think? Do you want to see? I'll do that review. But I just want to check in. I'm just saying, I just want to let everybody know I'm really, really, really thoroughly impressed with this car. I just let my dad drive it. You know, one of the new things is just keeping the shifter down into S mode, and it's just like, as soon as you give it a little bit of gas, it just downshifts for you. It just does everything you want it to do. It's just so amazing. The headlights, the tail lights, the gauges, the different modes, the way the suspension feels, the transmission, the engine responsiveness, the sound, the appearance of the vehicle. There's nothing missed on this car. There's no stone unturned on this car. It looks good, it drives good, it sounds good, it feels good, it smells good in here. It's perfect. It is literally perfect. Okay, what can I say? I could say, let's make the Recaros cooled. I could take some cooled seats, right? Some heated and cooled seats. That's like the only thing I can come up with this car isn't, you know, this is the race, this is the handling package and everything. So next video, I think we'll do, coming up, we'll do a car review and we'll compare it to the 15, and we've got lots of more content coming for you guys. So I just wanted to post something real quick tonight for everyone, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot of fun with this car. And I'm just got back in Nashville after being in Los Angeles for 10 years. So I'm excited to finally have a car in this car community where I'm from, basically. And I've got friends that are actually in the car community out here. Karma Performance, my buddy Milan, all my friends, you know, from back in the day that have done that, you know, DC and my buddy Whit and Benny and all my friends that have been in Nashville that mess with cars. So I just want to keep the channel pumping right now because I just got the car. I know there's a lot of new subscribers, so I just want to say thank you to everyone that's new to the channel for subscribing. And we're going to make a lot of content for this car over the next few months, and we're going to just make a lot of content for anyone that's a Mach 1 enthusiast or Mustang enthusiast. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.